Have you ever started learning something and realized you were focusing on the wrong things? That's exactly what happened to me with NumPy. Since I am learning AI engineering, everyone kept saying learn NumPy first. At first, I thought it was just another Python library. But after spending some time with it, I realized that there were a few concepts that made everything click. So, in this video, I am sharing what I wish I knew before learning NumPy. Hopefully, it saves you some time too. Everyone told me that before learning AI, I had to learn NumPy. So I searched YouTube and suddenly there were hundreds of tutorials. Everyone was explaining functions, but nobody answered one question: why NumPy? After finally understanding it, I realized there were a few things I wish someone had told me on day one. At first, I thought NumPy was just another Python library. Then I realized almost every AI tool is built around NumPy. That's when I understood NumPy is not popular because it's difficult. It's popular because it's the foundation. My second mistake was trying to memorize functions. What actually matters is understanding arrays. Almost everything in AI eventually becomes number inside arrays. Then I reach broadcasting. NumPy does automatically. The name sounded scary, the concept was not. Broadcasting became one of my favorite NumPy features. I also underestimated slicing until I realized every AI tutorial uses it. Whether it's datasets or images, slicing is everywhere. Looking back, these are the only topics I wish I focused on first, which is arrays, indexing, slicing, broadcasting, aggregation, random, or reshaping. Once you know these, you are ready for Pandas and eventually machine learning, which are Python, NumPy, Pandas, machine learning, deep learning, and AI projects. And honestly, NumPy was not hard. I was just learning it the wrong way. Next, I am starting Pandas as part of my AI engineering journey, and I will be documenting everything I learned along the way. If you are on the same path, consider subscribing so we can learn and build together.